David. Oh my god, is that David? You look like a lost Hollywood superstar.
Huh, who looks familiar? You look like some celeb, probably hiding from paparazzi, right?
Celeb my foot, it's me, Sophia here.
Sophia. Is it really you? Oh my god. I thought you flew off to Mars to settle down.
Flew to Mars? You think I'm an astronaut?
Well, yeah. 3 months missing, no messages, no emojis, not even a like on social media.
It's because I was busy studying until I almost passed out.
And I was busy, waiting for you to text first, like a lovesick guy in a Korean drama.
Oh my god. What kind of guy is so passive like a robot with a broken power button?
But meeting again makes me want to jump for joy.
Makes me want to cry tears of joy.
You look so different, like you just stepped out of a high-end spa.
Different how?
More mature and slimmer. Probably on the study 24/7 diet, huh?
Slim because of studying late until my eyes have dark circles like a panda.
Oh, so studying is really a super fast fat vacuum. I gotta try it.
And you, a bit chubbier, probably eating comprehensively.
That's called developing in the Potbelly King style.
Comprehensive horizontally, expanding the fat empire, huh?
Yeah, expanding influence. On the scale.
You still talk nonsense just like before, not changed a bit.
And you still laugh until you almost fall over like that.
I miss how we used to come to this park a lot, like a superstar foodie couple.
I remember. Every time we came, it turned into a mobile buffet.
You always bought a ton of snacks, like you were afraid the world would run out.
Because I thought going to the park without eating would betray the cool breeze and the birds.
And who ate the most? Definitely not me.
Probably me. But you were a great assistant.
I ate just for fun, while you ate like you were in an Eat Fast Win Big contest.
And I eat to nourish the soul.
Oh my god, I can't even with you.
Remember that time you dropped the ice cream? The ice cream stick disaster.
I remember, dropped right on your shoes, your brand new pair.
My beloved shoes, bought at a bargain.
But you didn't get mad, you just sat there licking the ice cream like nothing happened.
Because it was a waste of money, and ice cream on the ground still has the 5-second rule.
Oh my god, at that time I felt both sorry and wanted to burst out laughing.
But thanks to that, we laughed the whole afternoon, like watching a free comedy movie.
Those days were really fun, like a festival. No worries, no thoughts.
Now we're grown up, busier, but meeting again still feels as close as family.
Yeah, it feels like time stopped, like we were never apart.
How have you been lately? Tell me, any school drama?
Pretty okay, just busy studying all the time.
And I've been busy, advancing my laziness.
You're really unchanged, still the king of laziness.
Changed. Now I'm professionally lazy, with a proper certificate.
Oh my god, certificate from the University of Laziness?
But seriously, I missed you. Like staring at the phone waiting for a message kind of miss.
Me too. Many times I wanted to text but was too tired and fell asleep.
Fell asleep for 3 months? You must have been hibernating like a polar bear.
Well, deep sleep, golden slumber.
Next time you sleep, let me know in advance, so I can prepare mentally.
Haha, you're so serious.
Promise from now on don't disappear anymore, like magic.
Promise. And you have to be more proactive. Don't be the waiting guy.
Okay, from now on, I'll text every day, like fun spam.
Text what? Don't text give me money, okay?
Have you eaten? Give me a bite, I'm hungry.
Oh my god, the ultimate goal is still eating.
Right, but eating with friends is twice as tasty, like adding friendship seasoning.
That sounds kinda cute. Cheesy but cute.
Occasionally, I'm profound too, like a system update to a new version.
Occasionally, huh? The rest is the humorous version?
Yeah, rarely unlock serious mode.
Haha, you're really incurable. But if cured, it'd probably be boring.
But that's what makes it fun, right? Life needs a bit of silliness.
Yeah. If you were too serious, I probably wouldn't get used to it, like a different person.
So I was born to be your royal clown.
Admit it, super effective, laughing from start to finish.
All right, let's sit here and keep talking. It's been so long since we chatted. Tell all the drama.
Agreed. Today we're not going home early, chat till the end.
Okay, now to the serious part, like school talk show.
Hearing you say serious makes me a bit worried. Probably a plot twist coming.
Tell me how your studying went this week. Any study drama?
If I tell you, you'll probably faint on the spot, like watching a horror movie.
That bad? Did you study until your hair fell out, like academic baldness?
Not fallen yet, but almost bald. Hair crying for help.
Oh my god, youth hasn't gotten rich yet, but already going bald. So sad.
Monday math test almost made my soul drop. The problems like alien codes.
Math is humanity's archenemy. Everyone fears it.
Looked at the problems and my brain automatically shut down, like battery dead.
Does your brain have power saving mode? Or sleep mode auto activated?
Just looking at the problems switched to hibernation mode. Hibernate.
And did you do the test? Or rely on luck?
Got a few questions. The rest prayed to heaven and Buddha added spiritual points.
Praying probably gets luck plus 10 points.
If so, I'd be valedictorian, become a legend.
What about other subjects? Keep telling.
Tuesday presentation in front of class, like on the Oscar stage.
Oh, princess presenting. Spotlight on you.
But shaking until almost fainting, like possessed.
Hands shaking, voice shaking, heart shaking too? Shaking like an earthquake?
Shaking from the soul outward level 10/10.
But in the end, happy ending?
Got halfway through, then forgot everything, brain blank like white paper.
Oh my god, plot twist Hollywood style.
Stood there grinning like a lost soul, like error 404, memory not found.
At that time, the class probably laughed a lot, like watching stand-up comedy.
Laughed until I wanted to burrow into the ground, dig a tunnel to hide.
But probably cute, so the teacher let it slide. Cute bonus.
Thanks to that I survived. Max luck level.
Beauty really saves lives. Superpower.
And how about you? Did you study seriously this week? Or still sleeping is the job?
Me, seriously dozing off, pro level.
I knew it. You're the master of dozing.
But I doze strategically, like a ninja.
What strategy? Tell me.
Doze when the teacher turns to write on the board, like stealth mode.
You're cheating, like hacking a game.
Open eyes right when the teacher turns back. Perfect timing.
Any failures, like bugs?
Yeah. Slept too deep, like hibernation.
Result? What drama?
Snored really loud, like thunder.
Haha, oh my god, epic fail.
The whole class turned to look at me like an alien creature.
The teacher must have been mad, like explosion.
The teacher just said, "Did you sleep well?" Voice sweet like candy.
Embarrassed to death, face red like a tomato.
I even replied, "Yes, pretty good, but missing a pillow."
You're really beyond saving, max troll level.
But I do try to study, not 100% lazy.
Try how, tell me.
Every night open the book, then fall asleep without knowing.
The book must be sad, like being abandoned.
It didn't even get read before being used as a comfy pillow.
Do you know how I study late? Eyes can't stay open, but still push through.
Tell me, like survival mode.
Read one line, sleep 5 minutes, continuous loop.
So studying by microsleep method, very scientific.
But it's tiring. Brain wants to strike.
Your brain probably submitted a leave request. Overworked.
But can't take leave. Homework piles like a mountain.
Being a student is the most tiring job in the world. Salary is. Grades.
But when solving a hard problem, it's so fun, like beating the final boss.
Yeah, feels like winning a game. Want to show off to the world.
Then next day, new problem, cry again, endless cycle.
That's the student life cycle, ups and downs.
But no matter how tired, gotta try, bright future.
Yeah, study so later not suffer. Sounds like an ad slogan.
Teachers say it all the time, now it sinks in.
As kids didn't sink in. Now understand, grown up.
But you gotta study more seriously. Don't sleep anymore.
I know. I'll reduce dosing. From pro to amateur.
Reduce how much? Don't reduce 1%, okay.
From 10 times a day to 5, change gradually.
Oh my god, reduce like that, slow as a turtle.
Change has to be gradual, sudden, and brain shocks.
Haha, you're really stubborn reasoning. But good.
But with you reminding, I'll try harder, like having a coach.
Good. Later we'll both be excellent, dream team.
Okay. But you excel first. I'll follow. Like backup.
Why not together? Don't be lazy anymore.
Because I'm still sleeping, set alarm.
Studying is tiring, but any fun things this week? Tell fun drama.
Yeah, fun but embarrassing enough to want to sink into the ground, like comedy disaster.
Sounds exciting, tell quick, don't suspense.
The other day I went to buy bread, queued like a superstar.
Then what, plot twist?
Stood in line very confidently, like I'm the king.
Confident like money in pocket? Or bluff?
Yeah, I thought so. But when paying, realized forgot wallet.
Oh my god. Epic fail level 100.
Felt like heart dropped to the ground, rolling around.
Then what did you do, run away?
I started pretending to rummage pockets, top-notch acting.
Real rummage or acting? Like searching for gold?
Oscar-level acting, rummaging like filming.
Haha, rummaged, how long? Until the line got longer?
Rummaged until the person behind thought I was searching for Egyptian treasure.
Did anyone say anything? Tense.
The bread seller asked, "Are you looking for house keys? Or the wallet too?"
Oh my god. Embarrassed to faint. Face red like traffic light.
Finally had to grin apologetically and leave, stomach rumbling loudly.
The bread must have been sad, abandoned.
And I was hungry, like a brain-hungry zombie.
Haha, really? Weekend disaster, but funny?
And you, any stories? Tell. Probably drama.
Yeah, I decided to cook in the kitchen, like Master Chef.
Already sounds dangerous, red alert.
I cooked instant noodles for the family, simplest on earth.
Easy as eating candy, how could it fail?
But I forgot to add water, pro forget level.
How could you forget? Brain, short circuit.
Put noodles in pot, turned on stove then, sat playing phone, scrolling TikTok.
Oh my god, classic mistake.
When smelled burning, remembered, like house on fire.
And? What result?
Noodles burned black like honeycomb coal, like failed BBQ.
I thought you were making high-end grilled food.
Whole family ran in thinking house fire. Emergency alert.
Result? What did your mom say?
Mom looked at the pot and said, "From now on, don't enter the kitchen anymore. Dangerous for humanity. Permanent ban, like suspended sentence."
So, I'm banned from borrowing money, you're banned from cooking. Perfect pair.
We too are really mobile troubles. Free laughs.
But that's what makes life fun. Perfect would be boring like art films.
Yeah, always perfect would be deadly boring.
Once I wore flip-flops backward the whole morning. Like a clown.
Oh my god, no one reminded? All blind?
Yeah, until noon someone asked. Your feet protesting?
That's when you noticed? Heavy shock.
Yeah, looked down, wanted to cry, embarrassed to sink.
You're really the king of absent-mindedness. Left brain at home.
And you're the queen of clumsiness, forget everything.
Form the disaster pair. But Super funny.
But cute disaster, like cute disaster.
Haha, confident, huh? But true.
Really, thanks to these stories, we have endless laughs, like a treasure trove.
Right. Tell forever without end, laugh forever without stop.
Sitting in the park like this, chatting feels so relieving. Like free therapy.
Yeah. Cool breeze, nice sky. No homework, no tests, just fun.
Just laughter and friends.
I wish these moments last forever, like endless loop.
When we grow up, probably busy, but gotta keep.
But we still gotta keep the habit of meeting, tradition.
Agreed. No matter how busy, come to this park. Chat.
And continue telling silly stories. Who tells badly gets punished.
Who tells bad story buys food, fair.
I see you'll eat forever, because tell too good.
And you'll go bankrupt long term, buying for me.
But bankrupt in laughter is okay, fun.
Haha, you're really optimistic, but good.
Life without laughter would be sad, like black and white movie.
Yeah. Thanks to you, I laugh more. Thank you.
Really? Sounds touching, but don't be sappy.
But laugh a lot because you're silly, cute silly.
Oh my god, back to trolling.
But silly cute, accept it.
Alright, today was so fun, like a party.
Yeah, long time no feel this, relaxed, recharge battery.
Promise next week, meet again, okay? Don't fail.
Promise for sure. Set reminder.
Don't disappear anymore, okay? Like a ghost.
Okay. This time I'll text first. Proactive.
Text properly, okay? Don't spam memes.
Sophia, hey, come to park for snacks? I'll buy all.
Oh my god, still eating. Obsession.
But eating with friends is happiness, like golden formula.
Haha, agreed. Let's eat and laugh.